Just missing the mouth guard here from Team UAE. Just going to get that entered here. And UAE in the cage now. Tajikistan in the blue corner. Team UAE in the red. Tajikistan, some nice elusive footwork here. You gotta wonder when the level change is going to come. You might try to draw UAE to a body shot fight and then change levels to look for that double leg. Nice body kick though from Tajikistan. There's some power in those combinations. A slip and a fall from Team UAE. Abu Bakar from Tajikistan, Rashid from UAE. Heavy body kick. Abu Bakar. A leg kick follow up. UAE struggling to pull the trigger here. The level change and the defense from Tajikistan. Ready body shots from Abu Bakar. Oh, straight to the body there. We spoke about the body shots just before he landed the one that finished the fight. Straight to the midsection there. Abu Bakar from Tajikistan finishing Team UAE.